Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to learn our history second lesson, India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. We shall learn about the various ruling powers in India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj in this lesson. Various ruling power existed in India during that period. Which period? That India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj period. This means emerge. Pal in the 8th century was a famous dynasty in Bengal. Dynasty means what? Raj Gharana. Pal is the 8th century's famous dynasty in Bengal. In central India, the Gurjar Pratihar power spread up to Andhra, Kalinga, Vidarbha, West Kathiawar, Kannauj and Gujarat. In central area, that Gurjar and Pratihar power spread up to Andhra, Kalinga, Vidarbha, West Kathiawar, Kannauj and Gujarat. Among the Rajput dynasties in North India, the Gahadwal and the Parmar dynasties were the important ones. In Rajput dynasties, the important dynasties, which one? That Gadhal, Gahadwal and Parmar. Among Rajput, Prithviraj Chauhan belonging to the Chauhan dynasty was a valiant king, and Chauhan dynasty's valiant king, which one? Prithviraj Chauhan. Valiant means very brave and great king, Prithviraj Chauhan. In the first war at Tarai, Prithviraj Chauhan has defeated Muhammad Ghori. But Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the second war at Tarai. In the first war, that Prithviraj Chauhan had defeated Muhammad Ghori. And at the same place, in the second war, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. Rajaraj I and Rajendra I belonging to the Chola dynasty in Tamil Nadu were eminent rulers. The Cholas conquered the Maldives island and Sri Lanka using their naval strength. That Rajaraj I and Rajendra I, they are belonging to Chola dynasty in Tamil Nadu, and they are very eminent rulers, means important rulers in that Chola dynasty. And the Cholas conquered the Maldives island and Sri Lanka using their naval strength. With the help of their naval strength, that Chola dynasty conquered that Maldives island and Sri Lanka. King Vishnuvardhan belonging to the Hoysal dynasty in the Karnataka had conquered the whole of Karnataka, and Vishnuvardhan king, this king belonging to which dynasty? Hoysal dynasty, conquered the whole Karnataka. During the reign of Govind III of the Rashtrakut dynasty in Maharashtra, the Rashtrakut power spread from Kannauj up to Rameshwar. Reign means what? Karkird. means that Govind in that Govind third period, that the Rashtrakoot power spread from Kannauj up to Rameshwar. Later, Krishna III conquered the region up to Allahabad. And after that, Govind III, that Krishna III conquered the region up to Allahabad. Three dynasties of the Shilahars emerged in western Maharashtra. One dynasty ruled over Thane and Raigad in North Konkan. Second dynasty in South Konkan, while the third dynasty ruled over some part of the present day Kolhapur, Satara, Sangli, Belgaum district. That three dynasties emerged in western Maharashtra. That three dynasties belong to Shilahar, and that in between that three dynasties, one is ruled over Thane and Raigad in North Konkan, second ruled in South Konkan, and third one ruled in that Kolhapur, Satara and Belgaum district some part. The last prosperous power before the period of Shivaji Maharaj was that of Yadavas. The capital of Bhillam V of the Yadavas dynasty was at Devgiri near Aurangabad. He extended his rule beyond the river Krishna. The Yadava period is considered to be golden period of Marathi language and literature. It is golden period of Marathi language and literature. It was in this period that the Mahanubhav Panth and the Warkari movement emerged. In that Yadava's period, that Mahanubhav Panth and Warkari movement